This is Mr. Mitchell, and welcome to our first video lesson on the flipped classroom. If you're watching this, you're ideally in one of my advanced functions classes. I'm going to spend a little bit of time talking about how we're going to be learning in the next little while and how we're going to be using this flipped classroom and some video lessons to do some different things in class. So here we go. I think right now we are working very much in a traditional classroom, usually called chalk and talk. In a given day, we have a 75-minute period. And in that 75-minute period, I might spend 45 minutes teaching a lesson to you, which leaves us with about 30 minutes, give or take, of time in class to do homework. If there's 30 minutes left in class, and I'm teaching 30 students, if I try and help each student, that only leaves me about a minute to help each student. And I think in a traditional classroom, at the end of the day, I would probably be expecting you to go home and spend 30 minutes to 1 hour at home on homework. And that's an hour at home that I'm not able to help you, which means you have to come to school the next day with your questions and we take up homework in class. Flipped classroom is a little bit different. In our flipped classroom, let me try this. Rather than doing a chalk and talk kind of lesson, the teacher becomes what we call a guide on the side. So I'll be posting videos of my lessons, hopefully a day or two ahead of time. Your homework then becomes going home and watching those videos, and then coming to class prepared to work on homework and ask me questions in class. So if we can analyze the math of that, I'm expecting you to go home and watch what will probably be a 10-minute video. And you're doing that at home, or if you can't do it at home, you can come to school, watch the video in the library, watch the video on your laptop in class. And this leaves me a full, hopefully, 75 minutes in class to help you and help your classmates. So again, if we do that math that we just did, if we have 75 minutes in class and I'm teaching 30 students, I get to spend an extra minute and a half with each of you every day. And that leaves us lots of extra time to do things like take up tests, or 75 minutes for you to do homework in class with me, which decreases the amount of practice you need to do at home, barring studying for tests. It also gives us more time in class to practice what most students find the hardest, TIPS assignments. So we get to spend more time in class working on activities that will help prepare you for those thinking assignments, which are worth 20% of your overall mark. So if you want to prepare a little bit more for our flipped classroom, some things you can do Talk to your parents about what we're going to do. You can show them this video. If they have any questions for me or concerns for me, they're welcome to email me. On my website, I have a TI-83 emulator, which you'll find useful for our work this semester. So if you go to the Nelson website, if you click on Staff and Staff Directory, find me. I've uploaded the TI-83 emulator to my website. You can download that. Please install the emulator on your home computer. Unfortunately, it only works on PCs. If you need help installing it, you can always email me. And then tomorrow in class, I'd really like to talk about what we're going to be doing. So any concerns you have, bring them to class tomorrow, and we're going to talk about how we're going to be using the flipped classroom to help you do better in advanced functions. I promise that my handwriting will get better as the semester goes on, and I hope these videos will get a little bit more entertaining as the semester goes on. Thank you. See you tomorrow in class.